good day to all you lovely dotting ladies out there. Today's video is just a quick how to use a wax pencil and the QuickStik. I have got both of these in my possession. They're not my favorite, but I know a lot of people wonder how to use it and what it looks like to use. So I thought I'd do a review quickly and show you. This will usually come where both sides are flat like this, the wax pencil, and you will just take an ordinary sharpener, just make sure it's sharp, and you're going to sharpen it to your liking here on the edge. And that is it. From there, you go and you start dotting away. And if you're very light-handed and your picture has got proper spacing for you, this works very well. But my problem that I have with it is, as soon as you want to move your pieces up a little bit, it starts molding, changing the mold of your pencil here in front. And then I feel I need to like sharpen it again with my finger or sharpen it regularly with the sharpener. That's, I suppose, just the way I work with it. Who knows, maybe for other people work well. And as you can see there, it's even leaving some waxy residue. So another reason why I'm not too fond of it. That's the wax pencil. Then you get your QuickStik. A lot of people overseas are using the QuickStik, so I decided I want to give it a try. It comes here, this part pulls out, it's got a nice flat edge and a pointy edge to help for crafts for moving the stones around if needed. And this side is the QuickStik. So you just pull over the cover, and here on the edge it's got this like tacky little glue. And all you do is you twist. Very little bit. Every little bit moves that tackiness up. If I now rub here, you will see there, it's tacky. It's almost like a press stick, you could say in there. I just make it nice and flat, because I let out too much there. And then you have your pen and you're ready to go. Pick up your rhinestone and you place it on your picture. This works better for me than the wax pencil because I can still use quite a bit of force, but after just doing a few, you can see here how this has moved out. And after a few stones, I feel as if then it doesn't pick the stones up as well anymore. But luckily there's no residue on the picture. Maybe if you have a lighter hand, you won't have this issue if you use it. And that is my point of view toward the QuickStik. If you would like to see more videos, please feel free to subscribe to my channel. I have got a few videos up there already. Give me a shout out on my comments below if there's anything else you would like to see. I have videos up already of how to section your picture and how I kit up my diamond painting pictures. Hit the subscribe button, and I hope to see you all again soon. Have a lovely dotty day.